with one of the most controversial cases before the Supreme Court. Demonstrators gathered yesterday as the justices heard arguments centered around a Tennessee law banning transition medication for transgender minors. Now, this is a case that could have huge, and the word huge is important here, consequences. Jan Crawford has the latest.
As people on both sides of the debate gathered Wednesday outside the Supreme Court, inside, a majority of justices appeared to agree. Laws in Tennessee and 23 other states banning hormone treatments and puberty blockers for children who identify as transgender do not violate the Equal Protection Clause. Among the reasons, conservative justices pointed to growing international concerns that transition medications are unsafe for children.
I think that would be very troubling to say that in such a evolving situation, we are going to decide what the right approaches are.
Liberal justices pushed back and said the medication could be life-saving.
The evidence is very clear that there are some children who actually need this treatment.
Brian and Samantha Williams' daughter, LW, is trans and one of the teens at the center of the case. She has taken puberty blockers and now receives female hormones.
Can't imagine her not on her medicine. She's a different kid. She's a healthier, happier kid.
After the hearing, we spoke to Tennessee Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti. He believes the risks are significant.
They could potentially lose fertility forever, lose sexual function, deal with tumors, deal with bone density disorders. So there are very real downsides to this.
Now, as significant as this case is, it actually could go well beyond the issue of transition treatment for minors. There were questions by justices yesterday that if the court were to strike down these state bans as unconstitutional, how that could bolster arguments for transgender athletes in girls and women's sports. Tony?
Jan, thank you very much.